When John Don Bosco was 9 years old, he had a dream that would later guide his entire life. Don Bosco walked slowly, looking around the stage.
Where am I? This place looks like a pit.
Suddenly, John saw a group of boys who were shouting, arguing, and fighting.
Yo, bro, don't push me, bro. You started it.
Hey, stop fighting. This is not right. If you won't stop, I'll make you stop.
Suddenly, a majestic man appeared. John, stop. Who are you?
John, stop.
Who are you?
Not with clothes, but with kindness and love must win this voice.
But they are fighting. How can kindness change them?
I am the son of the woman whom her mother taught you to breathe 3 times a day.
Then a beautiful and radiant lady appeared.
John, look carefully.
Suddenly, the boy turns into the wild animal.
This is what they look like right now.
But then something amazing happened.
If you are humble, patient, and kind, you will see them become gentle lambs.
How can I do that?
In time, you will understand.
Then the drinks ended. And the next morning, John told his mother about it.
John, you look troubled. What happened?
Mother, I had a strange dream. Boys were fighting, then they became wild animals, and later they turned into lambs.
Perhaps one day you will understand what your dreams mean.
Many years later, John understood the meaning of truth. He dedicated his life to guiding young people with patience, kindness, and love. That young people would grow up to become John Bosco.